Amy. Oh, you're so beautiful. Baby, look at skill. Baby, I love you so much. I can do anything for you. I swear, I'm ready to empty my bank account for you. Just say yes. Just agree to be my girlfriend, please. I'll do anything for you. I swear. I swear.
Man, God, that is what you guys go around saying. Don't have anybody. Are you sure you're not married?
I'm not married though.
No. Are you sure?
I'm single.
Nope.
I'm free.
Nope.
And I'm ready to mingle at any time.
Majori hupu.
I don't have anybody.
They will never stop to amaze me again.
I don't have anybody.
So, that's what you guys do.
You have to believe me.
Pick up your phone and screen him.
I don't need anybody distracting me and you now.
Don't say he's ringing, bro.
I said I don't need anybody distracting. This is just the moment of me and you.
Who is Jennifer?
Jennifer.
Well, you said you don't have a girlfriend. So who is this one?
She's this girl I used to know. She's not my girlfriend.
God! You know what? I can't have anything to do with you. You're just a Casanova.
Chai! How I go carry chop this woman? This woman is proving very, very stubborn for me to chop. Can you imagine? I don't try plan A, it no work. I don't try plan B, it no work. With that plan C go work for me. Chai! In the middle of my book report, all of a sudden, my phone rang. Jennifer, thunder fire you there for calling my phone. Eh? In the middle of my book report, my phone rang. Chai! Jennifer made me fair. Hi! What do I do now? How I go carry chop this woman?
Baby, fire they go. All the boys sit down colo, and they want some poro potom. She con the pium. Waka baby, uru baby, corner baby. And I go tell my mama, and I go tell my papa, and I go tell am say.